What are you doing, Hunter? Tying your shoe? How's your day been? That's cool, I don't care. But we just got out here to the car show. I got big plans for this turd, this piece. So she's not gonna be in it just yet. Oh my, I wanna beat. Dude!
Yeah, buddy.
It's
okay.
just patina. Oh my hell.
Just the front.
So what happened?
Oh, damn it, nothing. Let's fix
Oh,
that.
Fiat disappeared.
It sounded way bad.
Okay, we're dipping. There's just a fucking wreck right there, boy.
No, there wasn't, Josh.
It was a little fender bender, buddy.
It wasn't even a fender bender. Nothing bent.
Dude, this is my favorite Evo. Alright, so what's your name?
I'm Brett.
Brett? He's gonna give me a ride in his Vette. First time in a Vette for me, so this better make this special. Is it Z06?
Z51.
Z51. Nice.
Well, here, watch. Sit on the driver's side. Hey, Brett, we're gonna keep you the
How do you open this fancy effing thing? Oh, is that it?
Push the button.
Oh! You open the door by pressing a button. Alright. VTech, bro.
He wants to see the heads up. Oh, yeah. Now do you see it?
Oh, dude! That's so sick! That's so cool.
Hit the gas once if you want.
Do a burnout.
So be it.
Not bad.
And there's also a G-force meter. How many G's I'm putting on the car?
I like that one. Let's use that one. That's a...
I'll let you drive down there around the corner.
Oh, you're gonna let me drive a Vette?
I'll let you drive.
What? in the-
Just go down there and take a left.
All right. Wow. Okay. First time in a Vette. First time driving a Vette. Cool. Do you want to hold this for me?
Sure.
What you want countdown? What you want? 15
This is so cool. I've never drove a Vette before. I've never been in a Vette before. It's so impressive that. Wow.
Yeah, it's got the G-force meter and the hologram as well.
That hologram is freaking cool.
It's hard to see. Your camera probably doesn't pick it up, but it's still empty.
I'm sure it does some like straight on.
Nobody gets
Wrap around.
Yeah, just go left.
Wow, man. Never drove. This is cool. This is freaking cool. I feel like a baddie right now. I feel like one of those cool kids.
Yeah, it's one step for me. You can left side there. I'll take a picture.
I guess you can say I did it for Dale, right? my little brother. Nice. Let's do it for Dale.
You like it?
Yeah, it was pretty sick. I liked it a lot. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thanks.
That was fun.
And there's a puppy. Hey, buddy. Dude, I freaking adore this Evo, man. I love it so much. Oh, dang. You know, follow Hunter on Snapchat. What's your Snapchat, Hunter?
Soccer boy, 2 eyes, 125.
It'll be like right here. Right here. You know what it is. Y'all know the drill. But this Evo, man, I freaking love it. Got the fat spoiler. Those sweet canards, carbon fiber front splitter. And then here's gay SRT4. Dude, who drives this?
Guy in the Chevy.
You drove this? What mods are done to it? Everything or what? Yeah.
They ran a 12 too.
VTEC? Ran a 12 too? That's nice.
They dynoed at about 435 at the wheels.
435. Does she spin a lot?
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know the chunky wheels you got on there,
Well, I
man.
installed those today.
So tired. Freaking hate them. No, you don't.
I know.
No, you don't.
I know.
You dadgum noodlehead.
Look, his turbo. Is that the same turbo timer you have?
Yeah, turbo timer, same one as me. That's not Zion, is it?
Zion. Hey, when are you guys making my balls deep vinyl sticker? I need it. I want to put on the. I want to put balls deep on
Balls
the back of my
deep.
car. And then I'm like really small. In your mom. Oh, you.
That's going on, boy.
LOL, just a neon.
LOL at LOL just a neon on IG.
It's LOL dot just dot neon.
It'll be like right here.
Right.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna. That guy's a dickhead. I'm leaving.
Wow, dude.
You saw this guy going the other way the other day. Well, no, today, yeah. It was. Oh, was it on the way here? Oh, you done did do to it.
Why?
He didn't back in. We got all these cars backing in, then we got him, and then backing in. Do it for Dale. Do it for Dale. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Come on. Following on my IG, I guess. Hey, yo, boy, guy with the hat on backwards, and stupid ass glasses. Goofy looking man.
Having a. Gosh, he's a super sticker.
That sounded good, dude. There's a pupper. The target dog. It's the target dog.
Only the 4.6, not yours.
You guys alright? She okay?
She passed out.
Uh-oh. So I guess someone passed out and she's like on the ground over there. I hope she's alright.
That's the 4.6, right?
Guys, Someone like passed out right over there, I guess.
Oh, where? Shit.
Right behind that truck. Like I see her.
So they passed out?
See her on the ground.
She just hit boost for the first time.
She's like, ah! She hit the VTEC for the first time. This is no laughing matter, Hunter.
I'm sorry.
Hey, are you a step?
See what we got here is we got the regular USA fire truck, turboed. Got big wheels. It's red, white, and blue over there. Mustang blue. Better watch out.
It's even got gold, bro.
Yeah, and gold.
And green.
And, yeah, and green. Look at the stacks, dude. Look at that exhaust. Like, dude, who did your exhaust work? Like sweet. It's got VTEC. VTEC swapped the world, right? You saw it here first, folks. Rooney Boy TV.
Everyone's like, I'm out.
Nah, I'm dipping. Dude, we caught it like right at the beginning too, because we went over there and asked her if she was okay. Alright, thanks man, thanks again.
Did you catch me getting that fender bender?
What? Kinda like the back end of it. I'll check and see if I got it, but I wouldn't count on it. So if any of y'all don't know how to subscribe on YouTube, this is how you do it. See, what you do is you tap in my name right there, like Rooney Boy, right there, yeah. Click on that shiz, and then subscribe just like that, just like he did. What's your name?
Brendan.
Brendan, all right.
Nice to meet you,
He'll
man.
be the guy that crashes Miata.
Or got me out of crash.
Oh yeah.
Smokes too much oil. Dude, where's the guy with the Mazda? Who drives that? Darian.
He's sitting in the back of the truck. The girl on his lap.
Don't want to take away from any of his fun, all right? Star of the show right here, guys. Star of the show.
I mean,
Look at all those gauges. One of them has got to be boost of some sort.
Alright, I gotta wait for that hot chick to come up. She's not,
This is a curveball.
Is this the dude of the meat?
Hey, were you just at the meet?
Where?
Were you just at the weekend car meet?
No, where was that?
It's in West Jordan, just right down the street.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
Was there one like that?
yeah, an Evo, just,
Really?
it's clean. Yeah.
Oh, funny.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Right on, man.
This came from the theater.
What we do here is go back.